Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. Today, in this video, we are going to be learning how to enable screen recording protection on Bitcoin.com mobile app. To enable screen recording protection on Bitcoin.com wallet, the first thing to do is to open up Bitcoin.com application and sign in. From the home page of Bitcoin.com, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, click on App Preferences option from the list. Inside App Preferences, click on Privacy Settings. Toggle on the button right next to Enable Screen Recording Protection, and this will block screen recordings and screenshots from being taken while you are using the wallet app. So that is how you can easily enable screen recording protection on Bitcoin.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.